What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we just received a huge package in the mail. This is going to be pretty sick. Alright guys, so this is pretty cool. This is probably one of the biggest packages I've probably ever got. As you can just see how big it is compared to my hand. Really cool. So, this is coming from someone from the Monster Jam collecting group, and I don't know if he wants me to put his name or anything like that, so I'm not going to say it for anything, but really cool, really excited to see what's in here. Now, I kind of know what's in here, but the trucks that are in here, I have yet to see anywhere in any Target or Walmart or anything by me. And over on the East Coast right now, it's been kind of crazy. There really hasn't been that many trucks. Some places have been getting lucky with some mixed 10 trucks, but I have yet to find the ride truck Gravedigger, and the Hot Wheels monster trucks, I haven't seen really anything new. So it's been kind of a struggle, and today is currently October 20th. So as we open this bad boy up, now this actually is the biggest package that I have ever got. I don't think I got in a box bigger than this. So this is going to be really cool. So we're going to pack this thing open, or crack this thing open, and we see how it's packed. Very nicely done. I must admit, we're going to move this right here. Alright. So here it is. This is really cool. So as you guys know, Mix 13 has been out in some areas, and if you guys are extremely lucky, especially if you live in an area that has a Meyer, I think that's how you say it, Meyer. Sadly, I don't, but Meyers have been really getting Mix 13 in really fast. And here it is. So the first truck from Mix 13, the first one I will ever see in person, is none other than the original Primer Red Gravedigger. So that's pretty cool. Really sweet. And turning it back here, we're going to see the rest of the trucks in this mix. And as you know, one of the more famous ones is probably going to be Backwards Bob. And then we have the Wreckless Toro Loco. And then we have the brand new Superman casting. And then we got Thrasher, which is really cool. I can't wait to see that one. And then we got Tropical Thunder, Racing Stripes, a Zombie Boneyard, I believe, and the Megalodon Ride Truck. Now, in this box, it's pretty much all of Mix 13. The only truck we are going to be missing, I believe, is the ride truck, which is Megalodon. This truck has been really difficult to find in some areas, and sadly he wasn't able to find it, but that's okay. Hopefully I will get it soon. And if you guys are looking at eBay, I just saw one of these sell for about $64, so they're definitely up there in price right now. So best thing to do is definitely hold off and wait for these, unless you get lucky. Or if you live by a Meyer, I would definitely highly recommend going to Meyer and seeing if they have this. So with that being said, this is Mix 13, the first time I'm ever seeing the Mix 13 truck, and the way you can tell, and I really like this, as you see right there, it does say Series 13, and it's in green for this mix. So I love that Spinmaster did that. But let's continue the unboxing. This is the first truck. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so here comes the next truck. I cannot wait. These are all face down, so I really can't tell what they are. Here we go, the next one. It is none other than the Wreckless Toro Loco. That thing is pretty sick looking. That is really mean looking, actually. I kind of really like that. I love this design. I love this Wreckless design. This is really cool how they just basically patch up all different body styles of that truck. Really like this. Moving on to the next one. Now this one I can see. This one I'm a little excited for, as we get some of these Walmart bags out of the way. And this one, we did see this casting already, but this is basically a brand new truck. And it's none other than the Racing Stripes. I guess off the horsepower casting. Kind of interesting truck. Obviously it's a zebra. Yeah, don't really know too much about it, but pretty cool nonetheless. And also remember, since it's a zebra, it has a brand new plastic insert and tail, which is pretty cool as well. Now, some of you guys may be noticing some of these trucks' corners are bent. Now, if you do watch all my videos and everything, I always open a pack and keep a pack wrapped and basically packed away. And these trucks will be the ones that are getting opened. And here we go with a pretty cool one, Tropical Thunder. Don't know too much about this truck. we can see a theme here with a lot of red trucks out of nowhere. So I'm going to move the camera down a little bit, get this thing a little better. I actually kind of really like the paint job on this one. This one's pretty cool. So that is Tropical Thunder. Moving some more Walmart bags out of the way. Alright, so here we go. The next truck in this list, here it is. This is the one I was really looking forward to. Here it is, right here, Backwards Bob. Now, besides the training truck Gravedigger, Megalodon, oh my god, training truck Gravedigger, I just realized I said that. The Megalodon ride truck. This one's probably going to be the most famous one in this pack, or in this case, just because it's Backwards Bob. And before the Max D 5-pack came out, one cool thing with this casting was how it's Backwards Bob was I was really thinking about taking the chassis and getting these and making them into front engine trucks, but now that we have the Max D casting or chassis to do that, yeah, but nonetheless, really cool to see this truck back. Yeah, I remember when this thing debuted, so really cool. Definitely probably one of the more popular trucks in Mix 13. Now we do have 3 trucks left. And here we go with another Boneyard truck, which is Zombie. I like this design. I like this chassis on this thing, or roll cage on this thing. Really cool, definitely different. And just by looking at this, it looks like the Zombie arms are a different color from the normal one. But once I review the truck, I'll go into it more. But nonetheless, really cool. Again, we're seeing Zombie this year, so that's pretty cool as well. We got 2 trucks left. Let's move all this out of the way. And the next truck is none other than Superman, so let's move Zombie out of the way here. So basically, I would guess this truck is probably the newest casting out of all. Well, actually the next 2 are. This one, definitely a new casting, definitely unique. Pretty cool looking nonetheless. I really like that blue, and the first thing that blue reminds me of is kind of like that Bigfoot blue paint scheme. Just the blue with the sparkles in it. But this thing's pretty cool. I can't wait to open this. This one's going to look actually really, really cool looking. And now the last truck, and the truck that I think might be one of my favorites, because this has its own brand new entire casting, and this thing looks really mean. And here it is, Thrasher. So let's move Superman out of the way. Take a look at Thrasher. Now, with this paint job, the orange and black, I'm not too familiar with it. However, growing up in the 90s and everything, the Thrasher that I'm used to is the one that is the yellow and like that dark bluish green color. You guys know the one I'm talking about. I'm used to seeing that one. However, I am more excited for this truck to see this casting, because now this is an actual legit Toyota casting, and I don't know if they're going to make any other trucks like this, but this is pretty cool because this opens the door for customs, brand new casting, really unique, really cool, and I actually really like it. It looks really, really good. That's pretty cool. But here it is, guys. A brand new unboxing video. It's been a while, to say the least, but here it is, basically all Mix 13, besides the ride truck, which we will be getting very shortly. I'm just not going to pay $60 on eBay for that, because that's a little insane, and I'm sure some of you will agree. But hopefully, very hopefully, these trucks will be making their way around the East Coast shortly. I hope soon. I have yet to see any Mix 12 trucks. I've seen Mix 11, but it was for a very, very short time. But hopefully soon these will be available quicker, I guess. But with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. This is really cool. Mix 13, we got 2 more mixes to go this year, 14 and 15, so I can't wait to see them. And with that being said, drop a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video very shortly.